All right, so I'm gonna try put these on for you. These are vinyl pieces to cover the visor stickers. So just line it up carefully. All right, there's one. Now these are matte black Orcal 951 cast vinyl. It's very, very good vinyl. This is a low-tack transfer tape, which does not like to stick to the matte black vinyl. So if it does that, just, I'm gonna try to get it. So if it does that, it doesn't peel off. So just stick it back together with your fingers, see? And then it comes right back off. You can do that with any sticker that does that. This one's the easiest one because it's on plastic. The ones on the material, it doesn't want to stick super good to this right off the bat. I mean, it will. The longer you leave it on, the adhesive will cure and stick to it better. So just be wary of that when you're putting them on. And for this one, I'm gonna flip it that way, so I don't know if you can see it or not. It's basically the same. That's the other two. It's hard to see. Tiny bit crooked. There we go. And just be careful when you peel the transfer tape back off, so you can peel the corner up. And that's it. There we go. That looks much better. There's the two on that side. Flip it around to that one.